This is an eye wig. It's a wig for your eye.
Trim police, I am sorry. Do not arrest me. Hey, how y'all doing? I'm here. Okay, I'm here. The reason why I'm here is because a few videos ago, I tried out and reviewed the brand new, or at least new to me, eyelids, which are supposed to be eyeshadow stickers that you stick on and go. You know, it's supposed to make it easy for you to be able to get your eyes together and look lush because it comes with eyeshadow and lashes attached to it, so you stick it on and go. Now, I was trying to reply the comments, and a lot of people are saying that they feel that because I didn't trim it, that's why I can't open my eyes all the way, or that's why it feels uncomfortable. So today we are going to trim it. I had a completely different video planned for today. It's already uploaded and everything, but we're gonna scratch that video. I'm literally filming this video today so that you can see that, you know, the instructions or the directions where a suggestion for if the thing doesn't fit your eyes. Okay, so we're gonna actually dive into the instruction video because there is an actual instruction video. Let's go ahead and jump in. If you are new to my channel, my name is Ohemaa. Welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey. We were supposed to be getting into some Zara Larsson inspired makeup look with the afro and the glitter. It's very cute. Okay, I will make it available next week for your view and pleasure. But today I decided to film. I haven't even cleaned my set right now, but I wanted to come back and show you guys, I guess, remake this video so you can see, because I'm getting a lot of comments saying, well, it's not fair that you didn't trim it. You were supposed to trim it. It feels uncomfortable because you didn't trim it. And you know, the instructions say that you have to trim it. Okay, let me go ahead and just play Mara Porter's video, or her instructional video, for you, and the reason why I decided not to trim my eyelids. Okay, so you can see that, you know, it was a suggestion. Okay, let me play it for you, and then we'll actually get another eyelid in. And while it's playing, I think I will just go ahead and do like a quick, I'll do my version of a 5-minute makeup look, and you know, you can see that way I look a bit put together, because you know, she suggested you do your foundation and your concealer routine before you put the eyelids on, so it doesn't look like I'm doing it on bare skin and making it look bad intentionally. Okay, let me play it.
This is a brand new product. Nothing like this has ever been on the market before, and it makes getting ready so easy. But I'm always going to be honest and transparent, and there is absolutely a learning curve to getting the right fit. So let's get into it. You want to peel off that film. I like to line up the outer corner of the lash. It's clearly way too big. Take my pencil, crease down to the corner. Where you see your line, you're going to trim it. This is the shape that I'm left with. A word about the adhesive. It will seem like this is not the least bit sticky. Your body heat will make these re-adhere. They almost start to melt, and then look, then they're back sticky again. Now they are on, they are very comfortable, and now I'm gonna finish up the rest of my face. Let me show you how it looks in natural light. Turn this off, no filter, natural light, just the window, and there she is.
Hey, this is the finished look. Now let's go ahead and jump into the eyelids. Okay, now if you didn't know, there is a product on the market called eyelids, which are supposed to be essentially wigs for your eyes. Now I did see this online. I made a purchase and my order got canceled, but then the brand actually sent me their entire collection of the Eyewigs. A few days ago, I posted my first impression review and what I think about the product. And in that video, a lot of people were telling me that I didn't use the product correctly and that I was supposed to trim the eyelids before I put them on, because I did say in the end that it does make me feel like I can't open my eyes all the way. It's beautiful, okay? But then a lot of people did not like the idea that I did not trim it, because on the instruction card that I read, it did say that you should trim it if it doesn't fit your eye properly so that you can get your perfect custom eye shape, okay? I didn't come to start a fight, okay? I did not come to start a fight, but I would like it if you trusted me a little bit more. So I went and grabbed a new eye wig. This is the one with the lash tile tease. Okay, so let's go ahead and dissect the video a little bit. Okay, now based on the video that we just saw when I was doing my makeup, you can see that whenever Mara first put the product on, you can see that the eye wig was folded a little bit in her crease. Like when she put in her crease, it was above her crease and it folded, right? Which means that it was entirely too big for her eye shape, so she needed to go ahead and trim it. Now on me, my crease is right here. Okay, this is my crease. Apparently I have a double eyelid, so my eyelid folds into two. I have this line here. This is not my crease, this is my eyeball. Okay, but this is my actual crease. You see this? Like, it goes in. This is my crease. I'm over here poking my eyes for you. This line right here is not a crease. This is my eyeball. Okay, we're gonna put it on again. Okay, I'm putting it on. She said it's gonna reheat up and stick with my body heat, so I put it here. Oh no. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it on. Once again, my crease, my natural crease is above here. It's up here. Do you see that? My crease is up here. Let me look all the way down. My crease is here and the eye wig is down here, right? I can't see, but I feel like I'm pointing to the right direction or the right place. So if my crease is here and the eye wig is here, I really don't need to trim it. Do you see what I mean? Now, I'm saying that it makes it difficult for me to open my eyes all the way because it does like limit it smooths out the doubleness, because when I open my eyes, my eyelid rolls in, right? So it's preventing this part of my eyelid from rolling in. I didn't say it was a bad thing. I said that it prevents me from opening my eyes all the way, which means that at the end of the day, I'm just going to have sultry eyes like this all the time, right? Like, my eyes are just gonna be like this. I didn't say it was a bad thing, right? I said I can't open my eyes all the way, which is fine because I can close my eyes, but I can't open it like freely. And it does feel like there's something on my eyes, which it will feel like there's something on your eyes. Even when you put lashes on and it's very foreign to you, it makes you feel like there's something on your eye. It will take some getting used to. If I was somebody who decided to use this every day, it will absolutely... Oh, it's lifting a bit. If I was someone who used this every day, it will absolutely eventually start feeling okay for me. I'm gonna ruin this pair and I really don't want to. This is my last Hazel's Halo pair and I am about to just trim it for the trim warriors. If I say I can open my eyes all the way, it's not a bad thing. This is all the way on my lash line and this is it, like completely on and perfect and, you know, like ready to go. Okay, this is my eye without anything on it and this is my eye with the eye wig on. It does not look bad. It really doesn't look bad at all. I just can't open my eyes all the way because of the crease of my eye or the line in my eye. Once again, my crease is up here. My natural crease where my eye goes in is up here. The product is all the way down here. You see? You see the difference? My crease is here. The product is here. In the video that Mara Porter showed that you're supposed to trim it, you can see that for her, because of her eyelid space is smaller than mine, the product when she put it on was rolling, like it was above her crease and it rolled down. So which means she needed to trim that part. There is nothing for me to trim. There's nothing for me to trim. It rolls into my eye perfectly. It like goes in perfectly. Do you know what I mean? I don't know what I can trim on this. There's a dark liner. Let me trace where you think that I was supposed to trim it. Where exactly did you want me to trim it? Maybe like take a screenshot and draw on it and put it under the community tab of where you think that I should be trimming this. And I will try to, I'll keep these safe and maybe do like another picture of where I'm supposed to trim it. A lot of comments want me to trim it. So where... I am so flustered right now. Where should I trim this? Maybe to make everybody feel better, I will trim... Let's cut the back and see if this will work. I have scissors over here and I'm going to cut right here. And that takes away the wingness of the eye wig, okay? And then we'll put it back on. let's put it back on and see. This is it. I trimmed the outer wing linerness of the thing because I didn't know where else to trim. Like, I don't think I need to trim this. My eyes are still not gonna open all the way because it is really limiting my double eyelids from moving naturally like they're supposed to. If you're gonna put this product on, just know that you're gonna have sultry eyes. which is not a bad thing because the whole point is to look sexy, right? You're going to have sultry eyes. This is what it looks like with the tail trimmed, okay? And I don't see where else I could trim. This is it for me showing you that I did not mess up the product application of the Mara Porter Eyewigs. I put it on exactly as I was supposed to. There was no need for me to trim it. I did not mess up the application, and I didn't lie to you about the product. My integrity in reviewing products is literally what I have. I will not tell you a product works for me if it doesn't work for me. And I will not tell you a product doesn't work for me if it works for me in an attempt to discredit or to mess up a brand, okay? I will not do that. Just because other people have lied to you, just because you lost your trust in other people, does not mean that I will do that. I will never do that. This specific product, I did not mess up. This specific product, I did not misuse. This specific product, I did not follow the direction and then turn around and say that it was bad. It does limit my eye from opening all the way. And like I said in that initial video, that is okay. I will just have sultry eyes anytime I put them on. I still have the liner on to show you, like, even now, like, there's like a space between where I put the liner and where the actual eye wig ends. There is no need for me and my specific eye shape to trim the eye wig. I did not say it was a bad product. I did not bash the brand. In the video that she made, she used the eye wig that comes up to the second line. You see that? There's a second line on here. There has to be two different shapes on her website. This is the one she used in her video that says that you have to trim it. This is the one that I am using right now. Side by side, you can see that there are two different shapes in the video that she posted, and probably the instructions were also written based on that initial video of the different size of the lash of the eye wig, okay? I did not mess it up. I don't have to trim it. Please do not bring your bias or mistrust of other influencers to my channel because I don't do that. Okay, now when I close my eyes and I look at you, you can see literal space between my crease where that thick ass eyeliner is and where the eye wig ends. There is space. I don't need to trim this. So yes, it is limiting my eyes from opening all the way. I'm not lying to you about that. It is not fair that you get to comment something that is not true, that I did not follow instructions when I followed it according to what it looks like on my eyes, okay? Now, let me know down below in the comments if I applied it wrong the first time after I showed it to you again. Let me know down below in the comments what you think about... I hope you try this product for yourself because it is a very ingenious, quick product that you can apply on a go. I will see you in my next video. Hopefully next time I tell you something, you will believe me instead of come back and, you know, make it seem like I'm lying to you about something that I'm clearly not. See you in my next video. I still love you. I still love you. Okay, I still love you. It's okay. I still love you. I'm not upset. I just hate that you think that I'm gonna come here and lie to you about the product. Like, okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.